I asked myself recently if I wanted a fried chicken sandwich in the fastest time possible using only ingredients I already have at home and with minimal effort, how would I do it? Well, let me show you, because this sandwich took me only 20 minutes from start to finish. First things first, no buttermilk. It's a weeknight. I don't have time to let chicken brine. Instead, just crack in 1 egg into a small bowl. Then, in a separate bowl, add a half cup of flour and a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. You could stop here and start coating, but I like to add a sprinkle of salt, garlic powder, paprika, and black pepper. If you don't have any of those, no worries, they're totally optional. For the meat, I'm using boneless chicken breast. Yes, I actually prefer it over chicken thighs, but go ahead and use thighs if you want. Dip the chicken into the egg until fully coated. Then dredge it into the flour mix. No double coating here, just a simple, wet, and dry dredge. We've only got 20 minutes. Then place it on a wire rack if you have one, and now it's time to fry. In a small pot over medium heat, pour in about 2 inches of neutral flavored vegetable oil. Once the oil hits 350 degrees Fahrenheit, carefully lay in your chicken away from you to avoid splashing. Fry for 8 to 10 minutes, flipping halfway through. If you want to see more fancy dinners made in under 20 minutes, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next one coming out. While that's frying, let us whip up a quick sauce. 1 tablespoon mayo, 1 tablespoon ketchup, and a half tablespoon of any random hot sauce you've got in the fridge. Give it a quick mix together, and this is the simplest sauce you will ever make. Or you can just skip this and grab whatever pre-made sauce you've got in the fridge. Back to the chicken, after about 8 minutes, pull it out and place it on a wire rack. No need for a thermometer, just cut it slightly open, check if it's done. Now for the bun. This one's straight from the freezer and microwave for 30 seconds because honestly, who has time for a 3-hour homemade bun on a weeknight? Add a slice of lettuce, some store-bought coleslaw if you've got, and spoon on our simple sauce. Finally, top it with our crispy fried chicken. Let me tell you, this is the most incredible weeknight sandwich, and it only took 20 minutes. It was easy to make, with ingredients already in your house, and took faster than driving to a fast food joint. Speaking of that, if you like this video, I'm sure you'll like this video on how to make Chick-fil-A's fried chicken sandwich at home. Enjoy!